Hey, creative friends. I can't believe it's March already. It's just incredible. But I have a free file for you if you want to try using it. I will try to share the SVG and also the NC file down below. You can get the details. But this is just kind of my version of a rainbow. And so this file will have 4 pieces that it will cut out. I'm currently just cutting it on cardboard, and I'm doing 6 passes, and each pass is at 55% laser power, and I'm running it at 5 milliseconds burning time, and it's taking about 5 minutes per pass. So again, I'm doing 6 passes, but I'm probably going to cut this out maybe 2 or 3 times of some cardboard, and it's cutting out nicely. And then I'm going to maybe take these pieces, and of course you can color them, and I'm going to try to stack them, you know, 2 or 3 layers of cardboard so that they'll sit up on a shelf. I have also cut it smaller. This is the largest piece is at 100 millimeters. But this is an easy file to make smaller too, and I'll show you some pictures here at the end. I've cut it out of some foam, smaller, so you can do a lot of different things with these different shapes. So I'd love to see it if you try it, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Okay, so I got these pieces cut out of cardboard, and with 3 sheets of cardboard together, they will stand up. And so you can color them if you would like. I just finished coloring these, and they will stack together, and then you could stand them that way, or you can just arrange it any way you want. And then this design is also very easy to make different sizes. So I think this cardboard one I had cut at 100 millimeter height, and then you can also do it in different heights. So I think that was 100, and I think this was 50 millimeter, and yeah, this probably was 75. So, and this was cut out of the fun foam, and these thin sheets of craft foam. I think it looks cool, even just like an abstract design with the leftover pieces. You can do all kinds of neat things. But I cut 4 sheets so that I'd have 4 different colors for the rainbow. And then these leftover pieces, you can make all kinds of neat shapes and designs with them too. So I hope you enjoy using this file. I think it would look really cool cut out of acrylic. So if you do anything with it, just let me know. I'd love to see it. Thanks so much for watching. And if you have questions about how to get these files below, just let me know.